how to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with the account that you wish to delete from YouTube. From here, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner and then tap on settings from the top right corner. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on help. And in the search bar, search for delete. And there you have an option that says delete or hide your YouTube channel. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and then tap on delete your channel permanently. Again, scroll down a bit, and now to delete your YouTube channel, you have to sign into YouTube Studio. So there you will have a link to YouTube Studio. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to YouTube Studio and you'll be logged into your account. From here, navigate to your bottom left corner and tap on the settings icon. Under this page, tap on channel from the menu bar on your left hand side. Again, under channel, tap on advanced settings. Here, scroll all the way down. And there, under other setting, tap on manage YouTube account. Again, you will land in this page. From here, under the section that says your YouTube channel, just below your name, there is View Advanced Settings option. Tap on it. So, under this page, there will have an option to delete channel. So, tap on Delete Channel. Once you get to this page, you have to verify by providing your password. Enter your password. So once you are verified, now you will land on this page. Here you can tap on I want to permanently delete my content. And here make sure to tick this mark by reading all this information given to you and then tap on delete my content. Now you have to confirm by typing in your email address. So type in your email address as displayed in this interface. So to confirm that it's your email address. Then tap on delete my content. And with that, you have deleted your YouTube channel permanently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.